Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. So we're just going through a little bit more of the bike. I got everything on the frame prepped. Got a rust preventative or rust remover on it. The Permatex stuff works pretty good. And then just kind of showing you guys what it looks like before, and then we'll go into the after of it. I'm going to start with the bottom. Get the bottom all painted up, and then we'll flip the bike over and do the top part. The only part I won't really get to is up here. I got to cut this off and get it welded on. So yeah. And what I'm going to be using is VHT. I've used this stuff before in the past on intakes and stuff. I really like the paint. I'm going to have a primer on there. We're going to use a satin black for the engine components. And then the frame will be painted a gloss black. And then this stuff hardens into a nice hard enamel, which is what I'm looking for to kind of get some longevity out of it. So, and it's high temp, so the motor won't destroy the paint. So yeah, let's get into it. So I got the frame primered, I got the steering stop welded on, so it's time to shoot some color on this frame. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get to it and see what happens. So again, I'm using VHT, very high temp paint. Works pretty well. I like it. So put probably about 2 or 3 coats on this, maybe 4. I don't know. See how it all goes, but. So I got the first coat on. I had a little problem with this can of VHT I had before. I don't know if the pin's messed up in it, but obviously it's not going to be a concourse quality paint job, but it'll work for what I'm looking to do. I got a couple of spots I got to hit again. But yep, first paint job on it in 40 years, so not too shabby. I could have gone out and probably gotten this thing powder coated for a couple $100, but I'm all about saving money when I can. but this will gloss up more the more paint I put on it. Okay, there we go. First coat done. We'll let this dry for a little bit, and then we'll come back, do a second coat and a third coat, and we'll go from there. I got some new parts in today. I got a headlight, a couple controls for the handlebars, and then Kickstarter, some little random stuff. And I got the stuff coming to rebuild the motor on the bike. We'll put it back together, all the seals and everything. So once I get that in, I'll go through, we'll clean the motor, put it all back together, and paint it, then put it back together. And then we'll put it back in the bike, and that'll be a huge step. So that's all I got for now. Next time you see this frame, it'll be the paint job will be finished on it, and I got the swing arm. It's painted and done, so I can probably put that back on. There's a bunch of little parts, like the little battery compartment and all that. I got to paint, and clean up, and all that. So we're getting there. So thanks, guys, and hope you enjoyed.